Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to platform on all you need about platform safety. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a site that you can earn coins, and the coins are withdrawable. Okay, it's an online survey platform. I just withdraw recently from the site, and I would like you to stick with me from the beginning to the very end of the video. So if you have not hit the subscribe button in my link, kindly do that. Please, I beg you, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and comment, and also share my videos. Okay, so we'll be getting right in the video. So I'll begin with you the step-by-step processes on how to sign up, how to sign in, and how you can make money through the platform. If you have not subscribed to my channel still, bro, kindly hit the subscribe button to follow my update. I'll be showing massive updates on this platform. I want to help those that have been figuring it out or trying to figure it out, making money online, finding it difficult. I'll try to elaborate and explain the methods easily, step by step, on how you can also navigate during your online journey. Okay, so let's get right in the video. Okay, welcome back to my channel. I am Joseph. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you can kindly hit the link on the subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for new update. Okay, so let's get into the account. First of all, I'll walk you through the step-by-step processes on how to sign up and the rest. Okay, so this is a dashboard. This is my dashboard, and the last time I withdrew, let's go to my payment history. Okay, this is my history. The last time I tried this site out, I withdrew 0.01971 LTC, which is Litecoin. I withdrew this just a matter of a day. Like, I just filled one survey and I was done. Then I withdrew the money. Okay, so today I will walk you through the step-by-step processes on how you can also navigate this platform and start making money. So let's start. So in getting started, you click the link in my description down below. When you click the link, it will take you to this page. Then you click on the top right, those dashes that are up to 4 there. You click on them, then you see something like register or login. If you have registered before, you will log in. If you have not registered yet, if you're a new member, you click on the register. Note, if you register with my link, you get some reward after sign up. Okay, so if you have not started yet, you can navigate through this platform and start making your own money. So now we click on the register. So this is the option for register. We have email, password. You confirm your password. So I prefer you register using your Google account. Okay, so you register with Google, the down option. You can still register with email and password, the same thing, but the Google is more faster because my Google is already in my phone. So the process will be more faster this way. So I'll just click on register with Google. But since I already have the account, I'll click on login. Okay, I'll click on login instead. So before I log in my account, I have to put my email or password. But since I register with Google, I'll have to log in with Google. Okay, so take note of these steps. If you are finding value in my video, kindly hit the like button. Okay, so I'm trying to log in the account just now, so you hold on. Good. So I select my email. This is my email. I choose it, and boom, we're into the platform. Alright guys, this platform has been for long and it's still doing massive wonders. It's still paying. It's not those scam platform. So I believe every update I'm bringing on this platform, I've tested them and they're working perfectly. That's why I also brought them to this platform, so that you can also navigate and start making money for yourselves. So I don't know why it's taking longer than I expected, but let's wait. It took me back. Let's wait and see. All right, so good. They have logged me in. So if you log into this platform, the first of all, you click on those dashes up. You click on the 4 dashes. You see something like dashboard. You click on your dashboard. After clicking on your dashboard, you can see we have CPS research surveys. Like, we have different, like, if you finish one of this survey, this is for 15 minutes, it costs 470 naira. Okay, if you finish this survey, like if you finish 2 of those survey, it will cost up, because minimum withdrawal is 1,000 coins. Okay, minimum withdrawal is 1,000 coins. So if you start on this research, if you start doing the surveys, I guess the survey is the better way to make money fast on this platform. Please be giving them accurate result, because this is a review, because those platforms are their side that needs review from users. Okay, so you navigate through the survey stuffs and you fill the survey. If you qualify, they will give you a reward. If you did not qualify, you go for another survey. Okay, you can see this another survey, 620 for 12 minutes. You can see 560 for 20 minutes, 530 for 21 minutes. So we have different ways of making money through this platform, but the fastest way, I guess, is the survey. So let's go to the browsing. Okay, you click on the browsing. Then there are some ways you can also earn money by clicking on those ads. You click on this ad for 20 seconds, you earn $12. Sorry, you earn 12 coins. You click on this ad for 15 seconds, you earn 1.9 coin. You click on this ad for 15 seconds, you earn 1.4 coin. Okay, let me show you how it does it. Let me show you how it's being done. Okay, you click on this first ad. It takes us to another platform, a third-party site. So we wait for it for the number of seconds that are there. Okay, we'll wait for it for the number of seconds that are there. When the second have counted, the reward will be given to us, will be paid to our account. Okay, so let me check something. Good. You can see, you can set the timer. Look, you have earned 12 coins. Okay, you can set the timer. Since the seconds are done, you come back to the site, you have earned it. So that's how you do, you earn the coins. So this is under the frameless art. We have one of 12 coins or 12 hours to perform. So we also have the frame ads. Okay, this frame ads, so we have to do the same thing. You click on it, it will take us to a next platform or a third-party platform. Then the ad loads. When it's done loading, we earn our reward. Okay, this one is for 8 seconds for 1.7 coin. So we'll go to the offers. We'll go to the offers, and under the offers, this is what we have. We have the surveys, we have the games. Here we have to download some certain apps. Okay, when you log in on the app, you will enjoy it, bro. You enjoy it. So just log in and try your luck. Not really luck, but try your luck and see it, because this, you can see offer earning 1,200 coins. This one, if you just earn this, you can withdraw straight to your account. No time limit. So after that, we have the surveys. I've told you about the survey. That's even the fastest way of making money through this platform. You can see the surveys available. They just need a review on their apps. Okay, so after the survey, we have something like advertise. Like advertise is for advertisers. Okay, I guess that one is not really necessary for you. Affiliate, if you like to copy your referral code, referral link, you click on the affiliate and get your code or link. Leaderboard, for those performing the referral task, you have to invite a certain number of people. If they are invited within minimum of time and they perform some required task, you get paid. Okay, so from the history, I've showed you my history. Like I withdraw some dollars the last time I used this platform. I withdraw 1,363 coins. It was just a survey that gave me this. Okay, so that's why I'm also recommending this site to you. You can also use it to maximize your profit. Okay, so this was my withdrawal. So under the profile is your details. Okay, the profile is your detail. This is your wallet. The wallet I set. You set your payment factor, like the payment pin, password, everything. You know how to set up your account. Okay, so I guess that is all for the platform. So please act fast on this. Act fast on this. I know it's a legit platform. They are not running away. It has been for long. Okay, so if you have value, if you have found value in my video, kindly comment, like, share, and also hit on the subscribe button down below. Okay, I will keep providing valuable content in this channel, and I'll also be showing you the ways or the sites that are scams so that you avoid them. Even if you're not avoiding them, the way you interact with them, you know that one day, someday, those sites may be blocked. Okay, so I'll be also showing you the ways to identify or to spot scam sites.